Good afternoon. More people are dying from drug use than ever before. Figures out today for England and Wales show the biggest rise in drug-related deaths since they were first recorded 25 years ago. Deaths involving cocaine have doubled over the past 3 years. Charities and doctors say the news should be a wake-up call to the government, claiming cuts to services are destroying lives. Martha Fairley reports.
Shakira Pello was a clever 15-year-old who could speak 5 languages. But she took 3 ecstasy tablets with her friends in a park in Cornwall last year, with fatal consequences. Despite emergency treatment, she suffered multiple cardiac arrests. Her family released this photo shortly before she died in hospital the next day.
I thought I educated my daughter. Obviously, my daughter took that risk. I think a lot of it is peer pressure from other children and these drug pushers, giving kids these drugs, you know, but they don't understand that it could cost them their lives like it did my daughter.
There were more than 4,000 drug-related deaths in England and Wales last year. That's a 16% rise on the previous year, which is the highest increase on record. The majority of that number were men. Opiates were the most deadly, particularly heroin and morphine, which were behind 1,336 deaths. On patrol in Middlesbrough, these police officers say the majority of drug-related deaths there now involve users in their 30s and 40s.
It's not people that have just started out on this journey. It's you know, they're well used to it. Sadly it's been a lifestyle of theirs for several years now. Which makes it really more alarming.
Health experts say the rise in drugs-related deaths is a clear indicator the current government strategy is failing.
Firstly, the cuts to drug and treatment services from 27% over the last few years has had an impact. But secondly, we think there needs to be a complete overhaul now of drug policy. 1 in 4 of the public don't think that drug policy is currently working, and we would urge an adoption of a health harms approach to drug policy.
Official figures also show so-called legal highs or psychoactive substances are causing more deaths, doubling to 125 last year. Martha Fairley, ITV News.